Listen guys, let's get something straight. I asked for ideas to fix the studio. That's what I asked for. I didn't ask for money. I didn't ask for you to send me stuff. What I was begging for was ideas, inputs, and suggest, something that you probably have seen, or if you're a designer, give me ideas and tips. That's what I wanted. That's what I asked for. And then all of a sudden, people are sending me stuff. Hello guys, welcome to another time out with me on Alec GTV. Today I just want to address something really quickly. About 2 videos ago I called out for your help for ideas, help out with some ideas or tips on how to get a better new studio, you to contribute. That's all I asked for. I did not ask for money. I did not ask for you guys to send me stuff. Not that I'm complaining. Actually, if you want to, you are free to. My contact is on my YouTube page for all sponsors and product reviews and stuff like that. 2 people sent me stuff. I'm not complaining. I just want to say thank you guys. Someone sent me 2 lights. Of course, it's a pair of lights, SOFTBOX lights. That's what I'm using right now. It's daylight. We might not feel it right now, but you'll see it on the other video. You'll probably seen a little bit on the other video when I was still setting up. The studio is in progress. In a minute you'll see me unbox it and stuff like that. I'll put the names of this product in the description below so you could check them out. The next gift came from someone else. Brought me chairs. He sent me chairs, not 1 but 2. But for now, I'm going to show you the unboxing of the 2 new stuff that was sent into the studio, and you'll check it out right now. We're doing this guy, and I'm fixing this one because it's another gift. Thank you guys, thank you. Let's get down to the unboxing. So, thank you guys for watching. As always, subscribe if you're new to this channel. Like if you like the video. Don't like if you don't like the video. Does that make sense? Comment what you don't like. That will be more helpful and then that way we could be better creators, video creators. All right, so that being said, let me know what you think about me standing up, because I'm getting bored just sitting down over there. But right now I just want to rant a little bit. I just want to flex a little bit and be free. This is another location right now that I can utilize. So I'm exploring how it looks when I do a little bit of flexing around. I haven't gotten the right position. There's stuff all over the place, so the lights couldn't really be positioned, and it's kind of tight right now. Plus, I can see what I'm doing on that camera. The microphone is down here. There's no stand over my head yet. We're working on that, like I told you. The studio is in progress. Over here, on the last video, you probably see some set on this side. So, in other words, there are going to be 3 sets in this location. Right, one by the computer, which is editing, one which is for vlog, but this one is just for general discussion, rant, you know, flexing and all that. So just when I want to stand up and, you know, be myself, and you know what I'm saying, all right. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you if you did subscribe. Yes, I'll see you in the next video.